Good morning. Headed on up to the common area, and we're gonna go do farm chores this morning. Should be fun.
And put them in the potty. 1, 2.
And then what do you do?
This. So I put it in the potty.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then close the lid. Now dust all that stuff. Is there a lizard in there?
No, crocodile.
Crocodile? Oh my gosh, a crocodile in there? You better walk away then. Come on, let's get away from that crocodile.
The flower fairies live there.
Probably, huh?
Why? They're like lily pads also.
Yeah, they're going to take care of all of them, don't they?
So the lily pad is a really
Mm-hmm. What do you see, Bodhi?
I see a rooster.
You do?
Right there.
Right there? Let me see. What do you see, Bodhi?
I can't.
This is what I got today, guys. This is the Bible of permaculture, written by Bill Mollison. This book is about designing sustainable human settlements and preserving and extending natural systems. It covers aspects of designing and maintaining a cultivated ecology in any climate. The world can no longer sustain the damage caused by the modern agriculture, monocultural forestry, and thoughtless settlement design. And in the near future, we will see the end of wasted energy, or the end of civilization as we know it. It's pretty scary, huh? Jeff made me think even more after I read this. He said later on, how do you expand your time while you're here? It really makes you to get to start thinking, because it's kind of like, how do I expand my time here? And mine is just learn as much as I can and grow my own food and make sure my children are healthy and extend that knowledge to them and leave less of a footprint that we all seem to do on this earth.